Hey guys, my name is Shashwat and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. In this video, I'm going to talk about the functions of Bar Council of India, that enrollment as an advocate under the Advocate Act. The Bar Council of India was established by the Parliament under the Advocate Act 1961 to regulate and represent the Indian bar. BCI performs the regulatory. BCI is the Bar Council of India. I may use this term furthermore in this video. So, BCI performs the regulatory functions by prescribing standards of professional conduct and etiquette and by exercising disciplinary jurisdictions over a bar. BCI also sets standards for legal education and grants recognition to universities whose degree in law will be served as qualification for enrollment as an advocate. These are all the main features of BCI under the Advocates Act. However, BCI also performs certain respective functions by protecting the rights, privileges, and interests of advocates through the creation of funds for providing financial assistance to organized welfare schemes for them under the fund-raising powers of BCI, which are embedded in the constituting documents. There are statutory functions under the Section 7, that covers the Bar Council's regulatory and representative mandate for the legal profession and legal education in India. In this, the first is to lay down standards of professional conduct and etiquette for advocates, to lay down procedure to be followed by its disciplinary committee and the disciplinary committees of each state bar council. Thirdly, to safeguard the rights, privileges and interests of advocates. Then to promote and support law firms, to deal with and dispose of any matter which may be referred to it by state bar council. Then to organize legal aid to poor, to provide for the election of its members who shall run the bar council, and to manage and invest the funds of the bar council in India. Now, one question comes that what are the requirements for enrollment as an advocate under the Advocates Act? So, the Section 24 of the Advocates Act specifies the qualification of a person entitled to be enrolled as a lawyer. The section states that is subject to the provisions of the Act and the rules made thereunder, a person shall be qualified to be admitted as an advocate on a state roll if he fulfills the following conditions. That is, he is a citizen of India, he has completed the age of 21 years, and he has obtained a degree in the law after 12th day of March 1967. Also, he fulfills such other conditions as may be specified in the rules made by State Bar Council under this chapter. At present, a person who wants to get enrolled as an advocate has to first clear Bar Council of India exam. Thereafter, the person can enroll himself or herself under any state bar council. Eligible persons are admitted as advocates on the roll of the State Bar Council. The Advocate Act 1961 empowers State Bar Council to frame their own rules regarding enrollment of advocates. The Council's enrollment committee may scrutinize a candidate's application. Those admitted as advocates by any State Bar Council are eligible for a certificate of enrollment. In this, different state bar councils have formulated their own rules regarding the enrollment as an advocate. However, most of the state bar councils require the candidate to submit an application along with the degree of law and mark sheets along with the judicial stamp paper and requisite fees. For if someone wants to be a judge, then there's an exam for judiciary which is apart from this bar council. Bar council is for the lawyers. Thank you.